Hello mga tambay, ngayong araw tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng 100-item exam gamit ang ChatGPT. And lahat ng ito, less than 5 minutes lang. Pero first of all, ano nga ba si ChatGPT? Si ChatGPT ay isang AI or artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. And ito na-release lang November 2022. So, sa mga nakakaalala sa inyo, eto si OpenAI, sila din yung behind sa Dota 2 AI wherein it is the first time na yung AI nakabit 5 versus 5 ng mga world champions in an esports game. So to get started, kailangan gumawa muna tayo ng account dito sa OpenAI. So dito, punta muna tayo sa chat.openai.com. And then, punta tayo dito, lalabas yung welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. Of course, if meron ka ng account, click mo yung login. And if wala pa, click mo yung sign up. So, for example, sign up muna tayo dito. And then, lagay mo yung email address mo. So, sige, lagay natin yung email address natin. And then, you click continue. And then, lagay ka din ng password mo, of course, no? And then, continue. After that, lalabas ito, you need to verify your email para makakontinue ka na. So, nandito na tayo sa ating ChatGPT. And as you can see, naka-ChatGPT Plus ako. But if hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa ChatGPT Plus, it's okay. Ito, ginagamit kong model is the Legacy GPT 3.5. So, the same to no, sa mga regular ChatGPT. So, ito yung gagamitin ko to demonstrate na pwede nyo ding gamitin yung basic ChatGPT para gawin ito. So, ano yung kailangan natin gawin? First of all, kailangan meron muna tayong course outline, no, or curriculum guide para sa ating mga topics. So, for example, I want to create an exam for this subject, no? So, English for academic and professional purposes. Ayan yung gagawan ko, no, ng exam. So, let me zoom this one in. And as you can see, English for academic and professional purposes. So, grades 11 and 12, and it doesn't matter kung ano man yung grade level na gusto nyong gawa ng exam or whatever type of exam, basta meron lang kayong mga specific topics just like this one. Meron kang learning competencies, no? The learner, one, determines the structure of a specific academic text. Number two, differentiates language, etc. So, kailangan mo lang mamili dito sa learning competencies and then gagawa na natin yan ng exam. So, eto yung gagawin nating prompt para sa exam natin. The prompt is your exam GPT, a professional exam creator tool. So, first of all, kailangan muna natin siya bigyan ng personality. So, he is, no, exam GPT. So, eto yung mga task niya. Number one, ensure you adhere closely to the given instructions of the user. Number two, think in a step-by-step fashion or manner. So, eto na yung user prompt, no? This one, no, yung tatlong ganyan, this separates, no, the instruction that we give ChatGPT and the user input. So, we are simulating, kumbaga, no, the system message and the user input. So, this one is the user input. Create a 100-item multiple choice exam with 4 choices for each question based on the learning competencies listed below. Vary the difficulty of each item. So 60% easy, 30% medium, 10% difficult. And then, lagay mo na lang yung subject title mo. Of course, pag iba yung subject title mo, lagay mo din dyan, no? Filipino, mathematics, science, let's say, no? And then, lagay mo yung learning competencies sa baba. So, eto, learning competencies, kumuha ako ng 3, determines the structure of a specific academic text, differentiates the language used in academic text, explains its specific ideas contained in various academic text. And kinopy and paste ko lang yan dito sa ating curriculum guide, no? So, the learner determines, etc. So, copied and pasted lang. Eto, mga to. So, of course, if you want more, you can just copy and paste more, no? So, after that, I will just click this one, no? And it will show me, no, this specific, kumbaga, na mga question and answer. So, of course, pag lumabas, no, na parang ayaw mo yung sagot niya, of course, you can just stop generating. Click mo tong stop generating and of course, it will automatically stop, no, generating this one. So, ayan, it will show you, kumbaga, lahat na ng mga questions automatically given to you. So of course, you can just copy code ito. Naka VBNet daw kasi para mas madali makopy, no? But of course, if hindi yan lumalabas, no? Since medyo different naman yung response niya every single time, no? You can just regenerate response, kumbaga. So let's say I'll click regenerate response, mag-iiba na din to yung format niya. So regenerate response, ayan, mag-iiba na. Okay? So let us examine, kumbaga, yung mga question and answer niya. So what is the main structure of a research paper? So A, B, C, and D. Lalagyan niya ng level. So ayan, easy daw. And then yung correct answer. Correct answer here, letter B, introduction, literature review, methodology, and conclusion. And this AI will do everything for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And eto, 96 more questions to follow. So yung gagawin mo, pag ganyan yung dinidisplay niya, lagay ka ng continue. And it will continue on making, no, the other kumbaga, exams. But here, as you can see, meron tayong mga 97, 98, 99 na siya. So what we want to do is regenerate this response here sa taas. Okay? So you can click this one, save and submit, up until, kumbaga, makakuha ka ng correct, no, na mga generation. So of course, this one, it's very easy for you to just copy and paste everything, no? So as you can see, meron na tayong automatically na mga questions dito. So this one is just the legacy GPT 3.5. So this one is the basic. Meron pa tayong dalawa, which is the GPT Plus version and the GPT 4. So for me, no, of course, the higher the model number is, no, the better, no? So kung baga, if you have an extra amount, no, to subscribe dito sa OpenAI for GPT-4, I suggest you do, no? So ayan, note that there can be created in a similar fashion based on the given learning competency. So continue, lagay mo lang continue, automatically may additional questions na siya. So ayan, magko-continue na lang yan. And of course, you can do as many items as you like, no? So for example, ayan na yung mga lahat ng mga items natin. You can just copy everything, lagay mo sa Google Docs whatsoever automatically. Meron ka ng question, no, together with answer. No need na, zero effort lang ito. So what if gusto mo i-transfer mga to sa Google Forms? Obviously, the traditional method, which is copying and pasting everything, is very time-consuming. So let me give you a shortcut para automatically generated na para sa inyo yung Google Forms dito. So punta ka muna sa script.google.com and then click ka ng new project, no, lalabas itong parang coding. Don't worry, magbibigay ako ng template na code sa inyo. What you need to do na lang is to just copy and paste it. So, eto, I just pasted this one, no? If you want to change the title of your exam, eto, lagay mo lang dyan, English exam or Filipino exam or whatever, no, yung exam dyan. And then, please answer the questions. And then, lalabas na yun dyan. Okay? So, what you want to do is to transfer, kumbaga, yung ginawa dito na generation ni ChatGPT into this one. So what I want you to do is, again, magka-copy and paste na lang kayo, no? Lalagay natin yan dito. Convert the questions into a JSON format. The answer index starts from 0. So ayan, you just hit send, automatically ibibigay na sa inyo ni ChatGPT. Yan. What you need to do is just copy and paste this one, then ilagay nyo na lang, no, sa ating kumbaga sa code natin doon. So let us just wait for ChatGPT here to complete, no, the questions. Of course, what you need to do after this one is to check every single one kung correct ba, no, yung binibigay na answers ni ChatGPT. Kasi of course, at the end of the day, kayo naman yung teachers, no? So you have the final say for this one. So copy natin to. And then, lagay natin yan dito. So, take note, no? Nag-start tayo sa ganyan. Nag-end tayo sa ganyan. So, ilalagay natin. Click there. And then, here also sa baba. And then, paste. So, save mo yan. No? Saving project. And then, you click run. So, ito, pag may nag-pop up na authorization required review permissions mo lang. And then, magsa-sign in ka lang, kumbaga. No? So, sign in ka lang, automatically mabibigay na sa inyo yung access, kumbaga, no? So, execution started, lalabas na yan dyan. And then, of course, you need to wait, no? So, pag punta mo sa Google Drive mo, lalabas na yung English exam. Hanapin mo na lang. So, let me show you, no, kung saan na yung English exam na yan. So, ito, meron na tayong English exam dito. As you can see, ayan, last modified by me. No, right now, it's 4:56 p.m. So, let me click that one, no? It will give me this. So, ayan, automatically, meron na tayong English exam. Of course, you can just customize it to your liking. So, ayan, automatically, lahat andyan na. So, of course, modify nyo na lang, check nyo na lang kung tama yung mga sagot dyan para walang mistakes pag nagbigay na tayo sa student. If you want to know more about ChatGPT and other AI-related stuff, please do like and subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye.